We came up to the cabins today, and we rent these cabins from April 1st to November 1st. And we were kind of doing a bird count, kind of seeing what birds are here. These are the Abajo Mountains, and I'm panning down the canyon, and these long sloping mesas go down, and that's where the elk and deer are now spending the winter. Then in the summer, they migrate up these drainages up into the mountains. So we'll go see what kind of birds are here and take a picture of them. Here's one of the cabins. We'll see, we've got a feeding station here, and we'll see what kind of birds are here. Looks like we got some jays and some juncos. Snow falling off the tree. We have three types of jays here. We have a scrub jay, which is what these are, a pinyon jay, and a stellar jay, who's absolutely beautiful, who spends the winter here but goes back onto the mountain in the summer. This is one of the other cabins, and the cabins are kind of placed apart from each other so you have privacy and you get your own wildlife viewing. Then we have this meadow through here that all the deer and their fawns come out in every evening and morning. So it's kind of fun to see them. This kind of gives a view looking to the cabins, the backdrop. This is looking south towards Colorado, kind of southeast. And that is where the elk and deer are now, are down, clear down by that reservoir at the bottom here is where the elk are right now. And they'll come back up here probably in the next 3 weeks. They'll be working their way back up here. We'll keep you posted, and thanks for watching the video. Hope we see you sometime.